guys, it's me, Kit Kat here, and well, today is pouring rain, and I'm just going to be going outside right now. So I'm getting ready to go outside in the front porch, which I have a little hangover. It has a top to it, so it won't like pour rain on me. But yeah, so let's just get ready now. All right, I'm ready, so here we go. Hang on. I'm going downstairs now. I'm gonna go sit in the front. Ta-da! It is raining. Yay. I hope all of you guys can see or not. I'm not sure. Well, there, that's as best as I can do. Yes, that is really as best as I can do. Now, let's just sit and watch. Turns out it is very cold around here, if any of you haven't noticed. It is so cold out here. Yeah. If we go over here, you can kind of see the water. And if we go over here, it's like, whoa, it's so cold. And it's like a, I don't know what it is, but it's kind of like a river for like, I don't know, like mice or something. That's funny. It's a mini mice village. Ow! Yikes. Oh yeah, have any of you seen this? This is my cat that I did in the concrete film. That's Charles. That's my brother's foot right there. His footprint with his shoe. My little foot went right here. That's my footprint. I went like this. Boop. I pushed as hard as I could into the sink. And then it went like that. But it's washed away after a while. And then that's my brother's foot. He went like this. I covered my other brother's. Oh yeah, no, this is Charles's. It's my big brother's footprint here, and then here's handprints. I was attempting to draw a boat or something over here, but we just messed everything up. Doesn't matter. That's our lantern. Let me go and... Hang on, guys. I'm gonna turn on. Yeah, take your lighter back. Yep. Okay, bye. My brother let me use his lighter to light it. Yeah, fire. Yeah. Can anyone look inside? Can anyone see inside? I wonder. Can any of you see inside? Ooh, who's this? Who's this? What's that? What's that, guys? Oh, it's my dog. It's my dog, Max. Hi, Max! He's cute. He's a nice dog. Hi! How's your day been? He's a good puppy. Where's Small Dog? He's like, I don't get it. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall stay tuned for more interesting videos. Oh, spy camera. Oh. I shall see you later. Oh no, it's raining harder. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, so, see you later. Bye.